Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Miscellaneous exercise, question number 6. Miscellaneous, that means extra question it is, right? Miscellaneous exercise, question number 6. What it is given, you see, if A equal to matrix 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Find inverse of A. Find A inverse. Got it? Now, what is the formula for A inverse? Anyone? You have to participate, right? Yeah, very good. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into HA. Got it, children? First, we should find out what is determinant A. Determinant A equal to 3 minus 1, 1 minus 15, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 2. So many sums I taught you, right? No problem. Again, I'm going to explain to you how to find the determinant. If you are selecting 3, the particular row and column should be deleted, right? Now, what can you get? 6 minus 5 minus 2, 2. Next, minus of minus, so plus 1, bracket, like a T shape, you will eliminate. Then what are the elements exist? Minus 15, minus 5, 5, 2. 2 plus 1, like a what? Like a 7. You want to eliminate the row and column. What should be the rest? Minus 15, 6, 5, minus 2. Now we are going to get the value. If the determinant not equal to 0 only, you can get A inverse, right? So that only we are finding first determinant, right? 3 into 12 minus 10 plus 1 into minus 30 plus 25 plus 1 into 30 minus 30. Now what is the result? 3 into 2 minus 5. That means 6 minus 5 equal to 1, not equal to 0. Then you can solve, right? A inverse exists. Okay, now the next what we need, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A you need means you want to find what is cofactor of A. Cofactor of A, how I taught you how to do that, children. Yeah, first you have to select the center element. Center element in the sense A22. A22, next A32, next A12, again A22. Move towards right. A23, next A33, A13, then the same. Move towards left. A21, A31, A11, then A21. The last column is filled by the first column entry. Now you see product of main diagonal minus product of sub-diagonal. That concept you are going to use it here. Right, children? Now you see. If you find cofactor only, you will get the result. Right. Now you see 6 6 into 2, 12. Right? 6 into 2, 12. Next, directly I am going to write, children. 12 minus 10 minus 25 minus 30. Got it? Say yes or no? Minus 25 minus 30. Right? 1 minute. I scroll. Right. Minus 25 minus 30. 1 minute, children. Minus 5, 2. Right? 6 minus 2. That means 12 minus 25 minus 30. Next. Minus 30 minus 30 minus 30. Got it? Product of main diagonal minus product of sub diagonal. Next. Minus 2 plus 2. 6 minus 5 minus 5. What it is? Plus 6. Got it? Say yes or no, children. Now 5 minus 6. 15 plus 15. 18 plus 15. Got it? 6 minus 2 minus 1, 6. Minus 5, 2, 1, minus 5. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Next. Minus 5, 2, 1, minus 5. Minus 15. That's why I had a doubt, children. Minus 15. So it becomes plus. Here also it becomes plus. Minus 15, 5, 3. Again what you can get? Minus 15. Here also you see minus 15 plus. Here what can you get? 18 minus 15. Sorry children. That's why I had a doubt. That's why I check again. Right? 18 minus 15. Right? Here minus 15, 5, 3 minus 15. Right? Minus 15, 5, 3 minus 15. That's why minus 15 plus 15, 18 minus 15. Now you are going to get the numbers, right? You are going to simplify. 2, 5, 0, right? Then 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 3. This is your cofactor. Now we are going to write adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? Transpose of cofactor. The row it become a column. 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 3. Got it, children? Now, what is your A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adj A. 1 by determinant A is 1. What is your edge? 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. This is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. What is children? What is your A inverse now? A inverse equal to. Got it? Now I am going to move to question number 7. What is 7 you see? A equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. show that a square minus 4a plus 5i2 equal to 0. Your given matrix is 2 by 2. So the I is also 2 by 2. And also find a inverse. Right. First you should find out a into a. That is a square, which is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Directly I am going to write, you see children, first row, first column. 1 minus 2. What can I get? Anyone? 1 minus 2. Tell me. 1 minus 2. A square. If you want, you write 1 minus 2 minus 1. Next. First row, first column. Right? First row, first column, first row, second column. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Second row, first column, 2 plus 6, 8. Second row, second column, minus 2 plus 9, 7. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Oh, first they are finding A inverse. Simple method they followed here, right? That we will do. That is easy compared to this, right? Simple method I am going to teach. Sorry, children. First, we should find out determinant A, which is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Easy method you should learn. 3 minus of minus plus 2 equal to 5, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. It is easy. What I taught now, compared to that, it is easy. So you have to follow. Easy method we have to follow in mathematics, right? See here LHS. A square minus 4a plus 5i. I am going to pre-multiply by, pre-multiply means what? Before. Pre-multiply by A inverse. Pre-multiply by A inverse. Got it? Now what can I get? You see? This is equal to, that is LHS equal to A inverse into A square minus 4 into A inverse into A plus 5 into A inverse into I. Now, A inverse into A minus A inverse into A equal to I. Right? Then I into A inverse equal to A inverse. Got it, children? Now you see 4I plus 5A inverse. Right? 5A inverse. A inverse equal to what I said, I. That means what can you get in the left hand side? I, that is A minus 4I plus 5A inverse. This is your left hand side, right? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into H A. That they are asking to get, find, no? First we will find this, which is equal to 1 by 5. What is your HGA? Change the main diagonal entry. Change the symbol of sub-diagonal entry. Got it? 3, 1, 1 minus 2. Got it, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, we are going to substitute in the LHS. What is your LHS? See here, LHS equal to A minus 4I plus 5A inverse, which is equal to A, you know, 1 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4 into, already I told you, the I depend upon the given matrix. It is 2 by 2, so your identity is also 2 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 5 bracket 3 1 minus 2 1. Got it, children? Now it is easy. 5 5 cancel. Then what can you get? Corresponding entries you should add. 1 minus 4 plus 3. Next, minus 1 0 plus 1. Got it? Next, 2 minus 0 minus 2. 3 minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 0 0 0. That is your RHS. Right? Say yes or no? It is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Question number 8. What it is you see? Question number 8. Solve by using inverse matrix inversion method. X minus y plus z equal to 2. 2x minus y equal to 0. 2y minus z equal to 1. Right? Already I told you. Matrix inversion method. A x equal to b. What is your A? How to get A in the, how to get from the system of equation the coefficient of x in the first column 1 2 0, coefficient of y in the second column minus 1 2, coefficient of z in the third column 1 0 minus 1. What are the variables they used here? X y z. That should be in the column matrix. The constant should be filled in the column matrix, that is your B. Got it? Now x is equal to A inverse B. That is the formula. X is equal to A inverse B. What is your A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adj A. Several times I taught you, right children? Determinant A. Determinant A equal to determinant 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 0, 0 2 minus 1. Now 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 1 into 4. Directly I did. See, 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0. 1 4 minus 0. So I did it directly. 1 minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 3, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Right, children? If A inverse exists, you can get the solution of the equation. Now, cofactor of A. Next step we need adjoint, right? Cofactor of A. Center element minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Move towards left 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Move towards, sorry, right first, move towards left 2, 0, 1, 2. The same first column entry. Got it? Main diagonal minus sub diagonal. Main diagonal minus sub diagonal. Main diagonal minus sub diagonal. Once again you have to check, children, then only it is easy. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. 0, minus 1, 1, 0. 2, 0, 1, 2. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. You have to check and proceed, then only you will not commit mistake, which is equal to 1, 0, 0. Next, 2, 4. Got it? 1, 2, 4. Your cofactor. Right? 1, 2, 4. Next one you see 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Then 0 minus 2. Next 0 minus of minus plus 1. Then 2 minus 0 minus 1. Here it becomes plus 2. So you will get it as 1. This is your cofactor. Adjoint. Transpose of cofactor. The first row become a first column. The second row become a second column. The third row become a third column. This is your cofactor. Transpose of cofactor is nothing but your adjoint of A. Directly you can write. Right? Now A inverse equal to 1 by 3 into 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 1. Then into 2, 0, 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 plus 0 plus 1, 4 plus 0 plus 2, 8 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 3, 6, 9. Right? This is your A. Sorry. This is your X. Sorry, children. I will erase. First I will write it A inverse, then I will move to X. Right? Here I will write it A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by 3 into H A. 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 1. This is your capital X. Right? Capital X should be replaced by what? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z equal to 3. Got it, children? Now I am going to move to question number 9. Listen carefully. The word problem we are going to convert into the matrix format. The cost of 2 kg of wheat and 1 kg of sugar is 70. The cost of 1 kg wheat, 1 kg rice, 70 rupees. Cost of 3 kg wheat, 2 kg sugar is 1. Sugar and 1 kg rice is 170. Find the cost of per kg each item using matrix inversion method. Let the cost of 1 kg of wheat order, right? Wheat, sugar and rice be X, Y, Z respectively. Got it, children? The first statement I am going to convert into a system of equation. Right? 2 kg wheat. So 2x plus 1 kg sugar plus y. There is no rice. So equal to 70. Next equation. 1 kg wheat. Then 1 kg rice equal to 17. Third equation, 3 kg wheat, 2 kg sugar, 1 kg rice equal to 170. What is children? 70, 70, 170. Now the system of equation you are going to convert into the matrix. Right? A x equal to b. 2, 1, 3. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of y. 1, 0, 2. Coefficient of z. 0, 1, 1. X, y, z. Next, 70, 70, 170. Got it, children? Now, format. You want to find determinant A. Determinant A equal to determinant 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1 equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 3 plus 0 into 2, which is equal to minus 4 minus 2. So plus 2, which is equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. A inverse exists. This one, did you understand, children? 2 I am selecting. The rest of the entry is 0, 1, 2, 1. 1 I selected. The rest of the entry 1, 1, 3, 1. The last one 0, 1, 0, 3, 2. I simplified, right? This one you know. That's why I am editing to, right? Now adjoint. Adjoint of A you want to find. For that what we need? Cofactor. What we want to find? Cofactor of A. Right? Center element. Below. Above. Then again. Move towards right. 1, 1, 0, 1. Move towards left. 1, 3, 2, what? 1. Next. 0, 2, 1, 0. This is your cofactor. Got it, children? Easy method I taught you how to find cofactor. Which is equal to minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 0. Next. 0 minus 1, minus 1. This one you know. Several sums I did, right? Main product of main diagonal minus product of sub diagonal. Now 0 minus 1. Now 2. 3 minus 4. So minus 1. 1 minus 0. 0 minus 2. Then 0 minus 1. This is your cofactor. Transpose of cofactor you are going to write. Minus 2. 2. What? Minus 2. 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Got it, children? Now, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adj A. 2, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now, we are going to solve. X is equal to A inverse B. X equal to X is equal to A inverse B. X, Y, Z. Use minus and multiply. 1 by 2 into 2, 1, what? 1 minute, I'll scroll up, then only the number is visible. 2, 1, minus 1. Next, minus 2, minus 2, plus 2. Use minus and multiply. Next, minus 2, plus 1 plus 1 into what is your B? 70, 70, 170. Now 1 by 2 into bracket 140 plus 70 minus what? 170. What is children? Minus 1 2 into 70. Now next minus 140 minus 140 plus 3 what? 340. Next minus 140 plus 70 plus 170. Got it children? Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 140. Here you see minus 100. That means you will get it as 40. Next minus 140 minus 140 minus 280. 280 plus 340 60. Here you see minus 70. Then 170 minus 70 100, which is equal to 2. You should use and divide 20 30 50. Right? The cost of wheat is 20 rupees because you consider x. Right? X is equal to 20, y is equal to 30, z equal to 50. Cost of 1 kg wheat equal to rupees 20. Cost of 1 kg rice. Cost of 1 kg rice rupees 30. Cost of 1 kg sugar equal to rupees 50. Got it children? You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. Tomorrow I will clarify your doubt. Now, thank you children.